From wild science comes the Wonders of the Earth Kit. Explore volcanoes, fossils, dinosaurs, gems, minerals, lab work and more. Mix up your own lava bombs and erupt the volcano craters. Make invisible volcanic gas and see real science in action. Create a color change in bubbling mineral springs. Experiment to reveal the secret beginnings of minerals and gems. Take a trip back 500 million years and create your own fossilized rock. 4 eras, 4 amazing fossils to be revealed. Excavate a sedimentary rock and collect all the bones, minerals and semi-precious gems like tiger eye and volcanic obsidian. Be a mineralologist, pan for golden pyrites and discover real magnetite. Be a paleontologist and make a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Amazing experiments and all the equipment you need to do them in the Wonders of the Earth Kit. And remember, there's only one wild science.